Welcome to Think, Read, Write 2, Anchor Chant. Here we go. Ship. Ship. Lunch. Lunch. Dolphin. Dolphin. Car. Car. Pink. Pink. Brother. Bath. Whale. Whale. Or horse. Horse. King. King. A day. Day. A train. A train. E queen. E queen. Eat. Eat. I night. I night. O boat. O boat. O window. O window. Ooh boot. Ooh boot. Sister. Sister. Girl. Girl. Purple. Purple. Foot. Foot. Ow house. Ow house. Ow cow. Ow cow. Oi boy. Oi boy. Oi toilet. Oi toilet. Good job, everyone.